Mr. Nayak, you wanted to come in, and then we have a couple of ground reports.
Yes. As I said, only about 3 out of an average of 15 rounds have been counted. 80% of the votes are yet to be counted. And as I said, the way the votes are counted is in rounds. And the EVMs that are taken up in each round are in serial numbers. So booth number 1 to 10 will be taken up first, then 11 to 20 will be taken up first. And for example, booth number 1 to 10 will be in the same geographical area of that constituency. So it's a pocket of that constituency. So the reason we are confident that we are going to come back is because we know that the booths that have been taken up first, are some places we expected BJP to do well. And booths, the geographical where we expect to do well are yet to be counted. So all these trends mean nothing at this point. We are still very confident of forming the government. And as you said, our top leaders, are trailing or leading by very narrow margins. Definitely the BJP tried hardest in a few constituencies, like for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, for Mr. Manish Sisodia, for Ms. Atishi, because they knew that they're not winning this election under any circumstances, but they tried their best to try and make our top leaders get defeated, so they would at least get some moral victory out of this.
Okay. Now let me play out a ground report that has come in, and once the ground report is come in, we'll take you through the latest breaking. And in the latest breaking, one thing is clear, that there are seats where the margin is low. The opinion is that these margins will strengthen on the side for Bharatiya Janata Party, but we'll have to wait and see. We'll not get into that. Let me play out the ground report.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are right now at the BJP office. This is the Delhi BJP office that we're speaking from, and you can hear the drum beats. The band party has already been called in. As early trends suggest, a sweeping victory for BJP so far by the Election Commission. Celebrations seem to have begun already, and let me just pan the camera right now to show the kind of celebrations that have begun at the BJP office already. We are speaking right from outside the very office, and people here, the BJP cadre seems to be very pumped up. They are very sure of a victory now with the EC results coming in. What they have to say is, yes, these were results that they were expecting. As per the exit polls, they seem to have predicted quite correctly with regards to the seats that the BJP is to win here. You can see the kind of energy that is already being seen at the BJP office, with the flags all being brought in and now out in the open. This is the kind of energy we bring to you from the BJP office in Delhi. Several of the key seats, we had already been seeing the BJP leading from these seats, and now from the trends that are suggesting that the BJP has not only crossed the majority mark, but they've been inching towards getting 45 seats now. 40 seats is what we were seeing. So far, they are inching ahead with each seat at this given point, and the BJP seems mighty happy at this point in the national capital.
शुरुआती रुझान में बीजेपी बहुत आगे है। 40 प्लस सीटों पे अपना रुझान में बढ़त है, और मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा उधर इंतजार करेंगे हम, इससे भी बेहतर टैली आके रुकेगी, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। मगर अब आज तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। ये जरूर दिख रहा है कि दिल्ली की जनता ने मोदी जी की गारंटी को स्वीकार किया है, और यही फाइनल टैली होगी ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। देखिए, उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। दिल्ली का प्रत्येक तबका अब आम आदमी पार्टी से दूर हो गया है। रुझान में वो दिख रहा है, एग्जिट पोल में भी दिख रहा था, और मुझे लगता है कि आज रिजल्ट वैसा ही होगा कि आम आदमी पार्टी ने जिस प्रकार से अकर्मण्यता दिखाई, जैसे उन्होंने जनता को तकलीफ दिया, स्वयं भ्रष्टाचार किया, शीश महल की प्रवृत्ति रही, तो आज जनता उसका रिजल्ट दे रही है।
परिणाम की प्रतीक्षा करनी चाहिए, परंतु हमें पूर्ण विश्वास है कि जो रुझान दिख रहे हैं अंतिम परिणाम इससे अधिक निर्णायक और प्रभावी रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पक्ष में होगा। फैक्टर्स का विश्लेषण तो पूरे परिणाम आने के बाद किया जाएगा। विकास के पक्ष में मतदान किया है और दिल्ली की गरीब जनता ने मोदी की गारंटी पर अपना यकीन दिखाया है और जो मध्य वर्ग है उसके मन में विकसित भारत के संकल्प को लेकर जो मोदी जी का विजन है आगे बढ़ने की लालसा है और कहीं ना कहीं अब यह दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि दिल्ली की जनता विवाद की सरकार नहीं चाहती है।
एग्जिट पोल